Standard torque tools work well for some operations, but how do you record the fastening data or verify the torque output's accurate? Replace those outdated tools with a new programmable tool from Flexible Assembly Systems. Programmable tools can offer traceability, accuracy, error proofing, operator guidance, and flexibility. Transducerized tools can record their torque and angle output and detect defects in real time. Programming interfaces allow users to create a variety of programs for different torque values and joint types without any downtime. Some systems we sell even allow for advanced programming, such as multi-step fastening programs and integration with accessories such as bit selectors, stack lights, or human-machine interfaces with operator guidance. The data that you receive from your programmable tool can be used for process improvement and archived for full traceability of your assembly. This provides peace of mind that your assembly was fastened properly. The advantages of programmable tools make them a perfect pairing for automation, ensuring an error-free build process. If it's time for you to make the switch, visit us at flexibleassembly.com to shop for programmable tools and accessories.